Hello everyone, good day. This is Ivy Grace B. Diaz, and together with my group mates, we will tackle about the Manubo tribe. So, sit back and relax.
Manubo means person or people. It may also have been originally Mansuba from man and Suba or river, hence meaning river people. A third derivation is from Banubo, the name of a creek that presently flows to Pulangi River about 2 kilometers below Cotabato City. A fourth is from man, meaning first, aboriginal, and tuvo, meaning grow or growth. Manubo is the Hispanized form. The upland Manubo practice sweathen or slush and burn farming, whereas those inhabiting the valleys practice wet rice farming. Rice culture is so central to the Manubo way of life that there are more than 60 different names for rice varieties, and all agricultural rituals center around it. In the late 1950s, however, many Manubo groups shifted to corn culture because of the gradual disappearance of Sweden sites. The incursion of settlers from Luzon and the Visayas and big logging companies have further limited the mobility of Manubo farmers in shifting cultivation sites and caused a competition for land. The Manubo have since shifted to the agricultural system of using only a single plot of land repetitively. Besides corn grit, other supplementary foods are sweet potato and cassava. In times of famine, emergency foods are unripe bananas and wild yam. Manubo uses bamboo tube as the traditional container for cooking dishes, which was recorded by Magellan's chronicler Pagafetta in 1525. He remarked that rice cooked in bamboo lasts longer than cooked in clay pots. Another common feature of Manubo cuisine is that before cooking, the main ingredients such as shrimp, fowl, or pork are minced very finely and mixed with plant food that grows abundantly in their natural surroundings. This cooking method ensures that protein sources, which are harder to come by, are distributed evenly among the family members. The different Manubo languages belong to the Philippine subfamily of the superfamily of languages called Austro-Polynesian or Malo-Polynesian in the Old Literature. The Austro-Chistic languages, also known as Mon-Ter, are a large language family in mainland Southeast Asia and South Asia. These languages are scattered throughout parts of Thailand, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and southern China, and are majority languages of Vietnam and Cambodia. There are around 170 million speakers of Austroasiatic languages. The ethnologue lists 15 languages in the Manubo microgroup according to Lewis 2009. All of these are spoken in the Philippines, mostly around Mindanao, but with one outliner, Cagayanin in the northern reaches of the Sulu Sea. The Manubo languages, according to Blast 1991, are a subgroup of a Greater Central Philippine or GCPH. Manubo languages use grammatical person as the main criterion for ordering short personal pronouns relative to each other. Only Cotabato Manubo uses a different criterion or semantic rules. Generally, the verb in Manubo and other Philippine languages is clause initial, with both pronouns immediately following it. Although in the presence of the Western languages, the Manubo tribes in a study give importance to the preservation of their language because of the following reasons. Number one, so that nobody can trick or backstab them. So number two, so that their tribe will be remembered or not forgotten. Three, because they can use it when they go to another barangay and be accepted. Fourth, because it is their tribe, the tribe of their forefathers. And lastly, number five, so that their children can be eligible for the scholarship for IPs or indigenous people groups.